Hello, how are you? I'm here just to talk about another situation that I have in my life. I recently turned 40 and it was not easy. It was not easy just to have a birthday when you are 40 years old. I think you already know about the midlife crisis. I'm not sure still if it was I was feeling was a midlife crisis or not, but I would like to talk about the midlife crisis. What does it mean? What I have learned from it, and what I would suggest myself 20 years ago if I knew how I would be in my 40, how I would feel in my 40. So if you like, be with me and let's go inside that. So what I was feeling was that now I'm 40. Yes, I have a job, thanks God. I'm living in a good situation, in a good country. I'm married and I have my own house. And I like also my job, my colleagues, my friends, everything is fine. But still, I'm thinking that maybe I'm not what I wanted to be, or what I intended to be at my 40. For example, everybody has lots of wishes, lots of ideas for their 40, for their midlife, what they would like to be, and so on. So I was looking around to my friends in my high school, in my bachelor's, and I saw them. Some of them, they are like in other countries, they having their own families, several children. Some of them have their own companies. Some of them are very high level employees in big companies. They are doing different things which from outside looks very, very interesting. And then when I reflected to myself, I was thinking that what did I do? Why I'm not there, or why I didn't get what I wanted to have, or why I'm still in this situation which I am, or maybe I need to be, I wanted to be in somewhere else. I don't know, maybe rich, have my own company, I don't know, so on, so on, so. And then, this is not the easy job, just to think about these things and don't feel bad about yourself. I was feeling bad that I didn't achieve anything in my life, so it was all translated in my head that you didn't reach to what you wanted to do. You are a poor guy who is who's not in the situation who wants to be. And I was feeling very bad. I didn't want to continue. I just wanted that the time stops and I think what I'm doing, why I'm here, what did happen, what didn't happen, and so on. And then it took quite a time just to think about it, to analyze what happened, just review my life. Everybody would do that. And I think that's normal. And after a while, I just came to my mind that it just come to this conclusion that so what? You did your life, you tried your best, you choose based on your best capability, based on best knowledge, the best that you could have done. You already put it in the life, and that's it. So you couldn't do anything different in each of the situation that you decide. Of course, everybody has the decisions, and then they have to accept the consequences of their decisions. Every time in the life, every day you need to decide on something, and then based on that you see your life where it goes. And after the decision was made, you can tell about, I could have choose the other way, it would have been better, and so on. But you never know, because you didn't go there and you don't know. At the time that you have decided, you thought that what you are deciding is the best, so you cannot complain about that. Anyhow, I tried to calm myself and then look at the situation more logically, to put away emotions, and then I came to some conclusion. First of all is that I was comparing my core life, all the details that I know about my life, with the facade of the others people's life. I don't know what they have in their life. I don't know if they have a good relation with their wives. When I compare with my colleague, my friends, or my old friends, I don't know if they like their job or they have to do that. I don't know, I mean, how happy they are in their life. And then logically I came to this conclusion that you cannot compare, and I can imagine that everybody has their own problems. So don't worry, it's not only you, everybody's like this. The main point is that, do you feel good, do you feel happy, and so on. And it's not only you that you are like a stupid, lazy guy that didn't reach to that what they are doing, and the others, everybody has reached but you didn't. So don't feel left out, because it's not like this. Everybody has good and the bad things in their life, and they had also in their life before, and they will have. So this is life. This is what you need to accept, and I think this acceptance is the key. So when you accept that this is what is it, then you can pass by and then go to the next point of your life. Forget about the history and so on. So that was also a starting point for me, just to understand that, yeah, up to now it was like that I was living in my head, so I was not dealing with the reality. I had some imaginations that how the situation is outside, about myself, about the others. Everything was kind of like, I would say, not matching to the reality. It was a little away from that, because I had some prejudices, some ideas about people, about the situation, about myself, which was not reality. And I didn't notice until I came to this stage that I was feeling that what I'm doing with my life. And then I saw that, oh, I'm not that kind of person that I think I am, or the others are not the way that I think, and the situation is not as I was thinking. So this was a kind of like an eye-opening situation for me, and I like that, because now I'm feeling that I am closer to the reality, and as long as I'm closer to the reality, I'm feeling more comfortable. Of course, not better, but at least I'm closer to the reality. So then I would not be surprised, and I will expect almost everything from every situation, everybody, and so on. So now I will be dealing with the situations, I would say, more logically, and I think it will help. And I would have, if I knew that I would reach to this situation which I am right now, I mean, this feeling that I have, this aha moment that I had, this eye-opening understanding that I have right now, when I was 20 and I knew that I will get to this situation, I would have followed my dreams seriously, and I would not let anybody, even my family, my parents, my friends, anybody, just to make me like think that my dreams are bullshit, or I will not reach that, and so on. At the end, because I came to this conclusion that at the end of anything that you do, you will not be 100% happy with what you did. So why don't you do what you think that I like to do that? I mean, at the end, if you do what you wanted to do, you will not success 100%. And if you do the conservative approach and then go what you think this is the best approach, nevertheless it's not what you like, then that's also not 100% success. But the point is that, how do you feel inside? And I think that's the key. That's the key, that you feel happy with yourself, you're satisfied with what you do, what you like, what everything, and that's the most important thing. I mean, what you see from outside does not mean that it's happiness inside. And this can be like a motto or just a slogan and so on, but really when you are alone and you're feeling bad or you're feeling good, if you do some reflection, you will see that this is the key. This is the key, that how you feel, it's independent of how much money you have, what you can do, how many friends, how many assets and so on you have. And to have this feeling is like that, to have first of all a real view on the life and everything. So just be as a reality and accept that reality is as shit as you know. It's not always the way that you want it to know, you want it to be. It's not always like heaven. So there is some hell time also in the life, but when you accept it and you expect it, then you are not feeling bad, because you know that this is a game. It's like a game that you should accept. This is a rule of the game. And if you say that I did it because I liked it, maybe after 1 year I don't like it anymore, so then I like something else and I will do that. So that's how I would go on from now on, and I would tell my 20 years old version to take it seriously. And when I would have taken it seriously, then maybe I would not do what I thought that this is the best to do. Nevertheless, this is not what I like to do, and I would follow my dreams seriously. And if I fail in that, at least I said that yes, I failed, but I have learned lots of things, and there was no guarantee that I would have success if I go to the best approach. At least I enjoyed what I did. So that was it for today. That's what I wanted to say. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think. If you have also the same kind of crisis, what do you think? What is your conclusion? What is your lessons? And what would be your message to your 20 years version? Have a nice day, and till the next video. Bye bye.